Hello guys, good day to you all. I'm back here again on our channel. Today I'm gonna show you one of my recent hauls. Actually, this was only delivered last week, but only now I have the chance to inspect it. It came from one of my leading suppliers here. Let's see what it's in store for me here. Okay, I forgot already what's here, but today we're gonna find out. Okay, I think this the 64 Paragon, right? Yeah, from Paragon 2024 Land Cruiser. We're gonna do unboxing soon. And what's this here? Oh, the Elite 64 Bugatti Type 59. Actually, this is my second Bugatti, the classic Bugatti. The first one I had was this 100% from Beautiful Bodies from 100%. It's a black one. Okay, this is a good compliment for my Bugatti collection. And what is this? Oh yes, how cool is that? It's the Ferrari FXX K Evo. K means curse, right? Kinetic Energy Return System. It's a Formula One technology, derived Formula One technology. And this one also from Paragon again. Oh yeah, it's the Tommaso Pantera. I had this in from Tomica Limited, and what's the other one? Hot Wheels Premium. Yeah, but from the Hot Wheels Premium is the kind of racer type. This one I like. I like road cars. They're easier to follow, unless it's a racer that won in that that category. Then we can collect that. Formula One, I'm not much into Formula One because they're really hard to follow. Every year you have to anyway. Oh yes, there's a 2014 Toyota Land Cruiser from Paragon. This one is the UN livery, and they are they're often used in UN missions. I wonder why they are not using Range Rover and Land Rover for UN mission. Any wild guess? Those who owns this? Oh, yeah, which one? The Daihatsu Mira walkthrough. It's weird, no? It's quirky design, but it's called for the form and function. It's designed for form and function. Mini GT, Range Rover, Camel Trophy. Yeah, and then I still don't have this yet. And what else? Yes, the Ford Escort RS Cosworth. I remember Michael Schum. Mini Champs has this in red color. under the series of Michael Schumacher series. I like it better in blue. Look at those disc brakes, huh? And another Subaru Sambar. Does it open? I think. What is that? Yeah, there's some accessories that you can attach to it. Anyway, we'll do it someday. We'll do it some other time. Yeah, the Diacol. And this comes with a figure. See how small it is, huh? That's kind of, that's cute. This is 64. Hmm? It belongs to the category of K cars. And this one, another one with Dio. Figure, and some accessories there. I think this one is a Nissan Datsun. Of course, what else is here? Yes, the Red Cross Toyota Land Cruiser pickup. Also from Paragon. Another Paragon item, that indestructible Toyota Hilux. You know, I watched this in Top Gear. You know, they where they made this Toyota Hilux in many tests, and still it survived, and even leaving it on the beach, right? Oh, I missed that show, Top Gear. No one can match those three guys. This is the Toyota. This is the 1967 Toyota Toyopet Masterline Light Van. Back in 1990, I used to drive a car like this in my college days. But it's a sedan. Ours is a sedan 1967 Toyota Crown, where it has in the trunk there's a chiller where you can put cold drinks behind. So this one is close to my heart. I have the sedan type. So this one is a derivative of that car. And the Brumos Porsche 911 Turbo. This looks like from the Transformers. His name was Mirage. Actually, Mirage in the G1 cartoon series is actually actually a Formula One racer. And this should be like Jazz, no? I don't know. This is Bayformers. The 911 RSR 3.8. I like it in white. It's really clean. And what else? Okay. Oh, another Porsche, the Martini. Porsche and Martini. Legendary partnership. Martini Porsche. Look at that wing. It's wild. And yes, the Land Rover Defender pickup. Yeah, this one will be paired with my Mini GT flatbed car transporter. This is also from Mini GT. And what else here? Yeah, the new Nissan Fairlady Z. I like the street version. And nowadays they already come up with the LB Walk. And, what else is there? Yeah, the one with fender like an Bosozuku. I like it. I like the purity of the design of this. I'm not into much into LB Walk like thing. I think they're ruining the design of the car. Oh, nice. He put in some free decals. Yeah, another one here. I made a mistake with this. I thought it was one is a 64 car, but this one is 1:150 scale. What will I do with this? Maybe I'll just make it into a keychain. That's why it's only cost that much. It's very small. Ah. And oh yeah, the Lamborghini Aventador by Hong Hing. And I think this is my sixth model from Hong Hing. All Lamborghinis. The first one I had was this the ruby red Cyan hybrid. I'm gonna show them soon. And of course, this much hype today. This you know what it is? Huh? Cue dramatic box opening music. What is it? I think this is the one from this Transformer. I think this is the Optimus Prime. Let's see. Yes, yeah. Hot Wheels and Transformer. Yeah. Nice. We'll do unboxing soon. So for now, that's all folks. I don't want I'll do a separate unboxing for this. I'll do a separate video. Okay. Thank you guys for indulging with me. See you again soon. Bye. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.